Good morning, student. Yesterday we have done all the question answer in this chapter. Now, today we are going to discuss differentiate between. First, differentiate between algae and fungi. It means how algae are different from fungi. First point in algae, that algae contain green pigment whereas fungi do not contain green pigment. Algae are single celled whereas fungi are generally multicellular except yeast. Third point, algae are autotrophic because they contain green pigment, and fungi are parasitic or saprophytic. Parasitic, you know all the meaning of the parasitic. It lives inside the host body, and saprophytic, it can also feed in dead and decaying plant. Next differentiate is between bacteria and virus. Bacteria are of two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic bacteria who do respiration in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic bacteria who do respiration in the absence of oxygen. Whereas viruses are smallest and most primitive acellular. What is the meaning of the acellular? Means वायरस की बॉडी में कोई भी सेल नहीं पाया जाता है. सेकेंड, मोस्ट बैक्टीरिया कैन नॉट मेक देयर फूड as they obtain their food from the body of some other organisms called parasite. ज़्यादातर बैक्टीरिया डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म में पैरासाइट की तरह ही रहते हैं. They can viruses, they can be multiplied only inside the cell. चिल्ड्रंस, यू नो वायरस जब बाहर रहते हैं तो वो नॉन लिविंग रहते हैं. जब किसी प्लांट सेल, एनिमल सेल के अंदर जाते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाते हैं? लिविंग हो जाते हैं. दे कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड ओनली इनसाइड द सेल ऑफ द होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म which can be bacterium, plant or animal cell. This is the difference between algae and fungi and bacteria and viruses. Now, next is define the following terms. In this video, we only discuss about the 4 terms, and rest of the 3 define will be discussed in the another video. First is fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast is known as fermentation. Second is communicable disease. Microbial disease that can be spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, फूड और फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट आर कॉल्ड कम्युनिकेबल. कम्युनिकेबल मतलब एक जगह से एक व्यक्ति से दूसरे व्यक्ति में जो स्प्रेड होते हैं, दैट इज़ कम्युनिकेबल. एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सच डिजीज इंक्लूड्स कॉलेरा, कॉमन कोल्ड, चिकन पॉक्स एंड ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. एंड दीज डिजीज इंक्लूडेड बैक्टीरियल डिजीज एज वेल एज वायरल डिजीज. थर्ड इज पैथोजन. Some of the microorganisms cause diseases in human beings, plants and animals. Such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogen. Fourth is pasteurization. The heating of milk to about 70 degrees centigrade for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing so, it prevents the growth of the microbes. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur and it is called pasteurization. Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.